When a cyberattack cripples the pharmaceutical supply chain, leaving Riverside General Hospital with only hours of critical medications remaining, the ChemTech Titans face their most personal challenge yet. Can they build a mobile pharmaceutical factory in time to save lives? This is Medicine Mission.
We have maybe 12 hours of insulin left, and without the cardiac medications, we can't perform any scheduled surgeries.
Mom, what's going to happen to my insulin?
Don't worry, mijo. Let me call someone who might be able to help.
Emergency pharmaceutical shortage detected. Calculating synthesis pathways for critical medications. ChemTech Titans, we have a mission. Each molecule presents unique challenges. Insulin requires precise protein folding. The cardiac medication needs stereo-specific synthesis. And the antibiotic demands extreme purity to prevent resistance.
I can provide multiple reaction chambers with different temperature and pressure conditions simultaneously. My core can split into specialized vessels.
I'll need to create custom purification protocols for each compound. The antibiotic especially cannot have any impurities. Lives depend on it.
With only 10 hours before the hospital's medication supplies would be completely depleted, the team knew they faced their greatest challenge yet.
Creating microfluidic channels now. Flow rates precise to microliters per minute. This continuous process will be way more efficient than traditional batch chemistry.
Temperature gradients established, maintaining 37 degrees Celsius for insulin fermentation while simultaneously providing 180 degrees for cardiac medication synthesis.
Wait, I'm detecting trace metal contamination in our raw materials. This could be fatal in medications. Developing specialized chelation filter system now.
Running real-time optimization algorithms. Every parameter is being monitored and adjusted. We can do this, team.
Fermentation proceeding perfectly. E. coli bacteria producing human insulin on schedule. Maintaining sterile conditions throughout the biochamber.
Performing multi-stage purification, chromatography, crystallization, and final stereo-specific separation. These medications must be perfect.
Power fluctuation detected. The sensitive cardiac reaction is destabilizing.
I've got it. Absorbing excess heat while Hydraula maintains pressure. Crisis averted. We can't afford to lose hours of work now.
The purity levels are actually higher than our usual suppliers. How did you achieve this so quickly?
Continuous processing, real-time optimization, and a little teamwork, Dr. Chen.
Thank you, ChemTech Titans. You saved my life, and so many others.
Chemical engineering isn't just about big factories. It's about understanding molecules well enough to make exactly what people need, when they need it most. Every medicine you take was designed by engineers who cared about helping people feel better.